First of all, I'm a diabetic, type 2. So I guess over the years, my doctor's been telling me that I need to watch what I eat and stuff like that. And also, when I was young, before I came to this country, I fell over a rock and broke one of my front teeth. So ever since I was growing, I had this cracked tooth. And as I get older, the space between the two teeth started to space out. Health-wise, I added to that, caused more space, more problems. Came across Ire Dental, and I was like, Ire Dental, because I'm from the Caribbean, Barbados. Ire Dental is associated with Jamaicans. It was, made a call, set an appointment. The team was very excited. She took x-rays and realized that being that I was diabetic, I was losing a lot of bone density in the mouth, especially around that area with the top front teeth. And she said that the best thing to do is, at some point in time, we gotta take them out and replace them with whatever she said at that time. And we worked towards that. She was telling me that when I get them out, it will be better for my health. Since I got my bridge done, my health been improving pretty much. And overall, my doctor is even saying that my numbers are looking much better. I feel much better knowing that my health is better because I got the problem rectified. And overall, my self-esteem has gone up also.